Hi, in this slide, we are going to learn ecosystem. The term ecosystem was first coined by A.J. Tansey in 1935. When you divide the word ecosystem, divide it into two parts. One is the ego, another one is the system. It is the ego that refers the environment, system refers the interaction. Thus, the ecosystem refers to the things and condition around the organism which directly influence the life and development of organism and their population. So, the ecosystem is a self-regulating group of biotic communities of species interacting with one another and with their non-living environment, exchanging energy and matter. Let's see what is ecology. Ecology is a scientific study of interaction between living thing and the environment. The term ecologist refers a person who studies about ecology. Now, let's see the types. The ecosystem has been divided into two types. The first one is the natural, the second one is the artificial. The classification of the ecosystem we will see in the next class. Look at this diagram. This shows ecological organization. First, there will be introduction of protoplasm to the environment. That leads to formation of cell. Cell creates the tissues. Tissues forms the organ. Organ creates the organ system. That leads to formation of organism in the world. That organism creates population. The population creates community. The community leads to formation of ecosystem. The ecosystem forms the biosphere. Now we are going to see about the structure of ecosystem. The structure of an ecosystem is basically description of an organism and physical factors of the environment, including the amount and distribution of nutrients in the particular habitat. It also provides information regarding the range of climatic condition prevailing in the area. From the structural point of view, all the ecosystem consists of the following basic components. The first one is the abiotic component, second one is the biotic component. First, let's see about the abiotic component. When you divide the word abiotic, it divided into A plus bio. A refers without, the bio refers the life. So it refers the non-living things. In abiotic, ecological relationships are manifested in physiochemical environment. Abiotic component of the ecosystem includes basic inorganic elements and compounds such as soil, water, oxygen, calcium carbonate, phosphates, and a variety of organic activities or death. It also includes some physical factors and ingredients such as moisture, wind, wind currents, and solar radiation, rainfall, soil type. Next, we are going to see about the biotic components. The biotic components include all living organisms present in the environment system. From the nutrition point of view, the biotic components can be grouped into two basic components. The first one is the autotrophic, the second one is the heterotrophic. If it is the autotrophic, that refers the primary producers. It includes all the green plants which fix the radiant energy of suns and manufacture food from inorganic substance through photosynthesis. Second one is the heterotrophic components. It includes all green bacteria, non-green plants and all animals which take food from autotrophs. So the biotic components of an ecosystem can be described under the following three heads. The first one is the secondary producer, consumers and decomposers. The secondary producer is a herbivore, an animal that eats plant matter, and in turn, it is a food for predator. So, this means technically, secondary producers are also primary consumers. Uh, when you see about the consumers, there are four different types of consumers are available. The first one is the herbivores. Example for herbivores, we can say deer is the example, a zebra. If it is the herbivore, that to eat the plant. If it is the carnivore, it is also known as secondary consumer. and on depend on herbivores for food. The third one is the omnivores. It will eat everything, whatever which is available in the earth. The last one is the scavengers are detrivores. These feed by the dead animal, or else the dead material is eaten by them. Next one is the decomposer. Example for decomposers is bacteria and fungi, which recycle organic matter and ecosystem by biodegradation and releasing the resulting simpler inorganic compounds or water where they taken up as a nutrition by the producers. Look at here. Here are some of the major biotic and abiotic components of the ecosystem. For a abiotic, we can say the precipitation, oxygen, carbon dioxide as the example for abiotic. And then for biotic, with the help of abiotic, the plant produces food. They are referred as the producer. The producer is the example for biotic. The producers feed by the primary consumers are feed by the producers. The secondary consumers are feed by the primary consumers. Let's see functions of the ecosystem. Primary function of the ecosystem is manufacture of food with the help of photosynthesis. The secondary function of the ecosystem is the distributing energy in the form of food to all consumer. Thank you everyone.